So for preparing the breeding,
Yes.
at a certain moment you decide that you will put male and female together
Yes.
to make the couple.
Yes.
Let's say about 2 weeks before you make the couple, you start giving Calcilux and Fertivit.
Yes.
eh, to
Together
help-
with the water.
in the water.
Together.
In the water.
Yes.
Together in the water.
Yes.
And then you give it 2 weeks or so, and then you bring the couples together. And you go on with the calcium and the Fertivit until the first egg is laid.
I give it every day.
Every day.
Yes.
Then you have to stop Fertivit.
Yes.
Because otherwise the males become too excited
Yes.
for a longer time and they will disturb the brooding of the female.
Yeah.
So you have to stop when they stop laying eggs with Fertivit. You can continue some days with Calcilux until all eggs are laid. And then the hen is brooding, you start to give OptiBreed.
OptiBreed.
Because OptiBreed is a good source of all vitamins and minerals for growing chicks.
Yeah.
So from the moment that the female is brooding, you stop Calcilux and Fertivit, but you start OptiBreed.
OptiBreed.
And then until the young,
one?
OptiBreed there, until the young birds are really grown.
This one we put it since the first day the egg hatch. هذا نبدأ نحطه من أول لما يبدأ يفرخ الفرخ until when?
Until the
4 months.
3-4 months if they
إلى
are
3
good
إلى
growth.
4 شهور every day with water.
Not in the water.
And food.
That is not water soluble.
Yeah,
You
and
have
food.
to put it in the egg food,
Yes.
or to sprinkle on some fruits so that they are eating. It's not water soluble.
هذا لا يقدم مع الموية إنما يقدم مع الإج فود ما يقدم أو مع بعض الخضار اللي تقدمها. Okay.
Okay, you understand
Yes,
now?
I understand now. Thank
Thank
you
you.
very much. Thank you very much.